All right, welcome guys to a Saturday morning here in Thailand. Anyway, we're out here kind of northeast of Ayutthaya at Pa Mok, I believe it is. It's between Ayutthaya and Ang Thong. And we're gonna go and check out a temple over here. Now it's kind of funny, or 2 weeks ago, I came up here and I thought I was going to this Wat Tha Sutthawat or something like that. And I punched it into the Google Maps and it took me to a temple, and it was the wrong temple. The temple has exactly the same name. I think it has like a little different letter in Thai. So I went to a temple, I thought it was it, and then I did some more reading and found out that it has a temple with exactly the same name in English that's just to the north. So anyway, my mistake, and if you watched that video, you got to see another temple, which was okay. And let's take a look at this one. So this one here is, what's famous about it is the river crossing on the Chao Phraya River. The Thai army crossed the river up here back whenever they were fighting the Burmese in 1767. And the temple itself supposedly has like a little shop where they paint dolls. That was the queen, the former queen, she was instrumental in setting that up. It also has like a chedi and a hall that I guess the princess painted like a flower or something like that inside of the hall, and it's under the royal patronage. So let me take a look at it and I'll show you around. Okay, so here is the Chao Phraya River, and we have a barge here pulling some like a sand barge. The tug is right here, and this area, there's a bunch of tugs, and then there's little houses built down here on the river, and then some more of the tugs and barges and everything over there. So they load up these and then they haul all this sand and gravel to Bangkok usually. That's kind of the destination. So the temple is right here. It's right on the shore of the Chao Phraya. You can see some of the monk quarters, the wooden houses and stuff. And then the temple complex is over there. And they're building 2 new halls, it looks like, right here. They're kind of sitting empty, and looks like it's been under construction for quite a little while. And then it has a little tiny road right here. And then there's another temple across the way. I don't know what the name of it is. And then right here, here's the Chao Phraya. It does kind of like a little Y. It has, the channel goes up that way, and then it goes over here. And then you can see kind of the little awnings and stuff built. And then here's the little road right next to the river. Okay, so right over here by the river, kind of between like most of the temple and the river, is that little the painted doll shop. So it looks like it's actually closed. There's the gate up there is locked up, and I looked around, I didn't see anything going on here. So there's no sign of when it's supposed to be open, but you'd think it would be open, you know, mid-morning on a Saturday. So let's look around a little bit more and I'll see if I can find somebody. Yeah, I see some shoes back over there, but the door's locked. All right, let's keep looking around. So there's a little pavilion thing here that has the Gayen statue. And then right next to it is a little bridge. It has the Naga. They painted these here gold and green, and then the other Naga halfway across are just brown. So there's a couple more little halls over here. Looks like the ordination hall is locked up also. The ordination hall is right there. I can see the doors closed. So they have a little building that's right next to the ordination hall. It's closed, just some soy dogs over there. And then we'll get a look over here. Now this hall is quite nice. It's in fantastic shape, but it is closed up, so I can't get in there. And there's no monks anywhere. You can see the marker stones that are out here. And then over here is like a chedi. And this is kind of cool because you can see it from quite a ways away. And then there's another building there that's locked up. This is going to be a big disappointment. Everything is closed. But let's look at what we can see at least. You can see these, and then the outside of this hall. Now this is supposed to be an early Ayutthaya style building. And it doesn't look like it's has the boat in the middle like the Chinese junk. And then you can see this building here also. And you can see that it has a padlock on the bottom of the door also. And there's not a single monk that I can see anywhere. And even nobody over by that little museum and stuff. Just shoes outside by the door. And then you can see this, this chedi. Yeah, it's really nice. But I can't get in there. I'm having no luck with this temple. Yeah, that's quite nice. The paint's kind of fading a little bit up on the top and across the bottom here. And you get that black mold, which you always get in the tropics. And this chedi here has the, or I guess pagoda, has the door that's locked there. And you can see the work they did in the plaster up there with the gold and the green. So here's the like a picture of the princess. And she's the one that has this under royal patronage. And they have a little thing for her right here next to the chedi. And they have one more building over here. This one is really, really cool looking. So it's built out here, has this little footbridge, and it's built right here over a little man-made pond. And I would really, really like to be able to get in there and look around. But it's closed off also, like everything here. I did see two Thai people that are over here that are leaving little offerings for the Buddha, but they're outside also. They can't get into the hall. And then they have this one here. You can see they got the chickens out front. And this hall here from another side, which this is pretty cool looking. You can see the hall, and then you can see that chedi from right here. It's a pretty nice view. Well, it looks like I'm out of luck today to be able to get inside any of these buildings. I saw all the monks leave the monk quarters. They all piled into a truck and drove away. And it should be open by now. I talked to a guy that was here praying, and he said it should have been open. So I don't know what's going on. So anyway, out of luck, I guess I will have to come down here and look at this another day. I was really wanting to see the little clay miniatures that they do in the workshop, and I was really wanting to see inside of that hall. So anyway, I'll do that another day, I guess. So sorry about this, guys, and I'm just having no luck catching this temple. So until next time, I guess. So remember, make sure you click like and subscribe and share the video with your friends. Take a look at my other videos in the channel, and I do a bunch of stuff like this. I just go around and I see some of the local sites and see what I can see. So all right, guys, until next time, remember, life is a journey. Enjoy.